Let's see the top speed on this thing that I had so far. Let's see. Max speed, 55 miles an hour. Very nice. Yep. This thing is sweet. Freaking love this bike, dude. Got a light set up. There's flashing lights on it so people can see me on the road at night. A nice three headlight setup. So you got 2 floodlights up front. That's gotta fix that. You know. And then I got the low beams. High beams. And this regular halo light. Yep. I freaking love this bike. Oh, and to Randy, he said to watch the welds. This is really strong welds on here, and it's a 6061 aluminum, and it's fully welded. Nice heavy duty welds all the way around. I got a built-in torque plate there, and then I got an extra torque arm that I set up over here because I know they have a lot of these motors have a lot of torque, so we're not going anywhere. And I have it wrapped around the thickest part of the frame as well, so it's not going to come loose at all. This bike is ready. Once I get my gas tank battery, so I can go here, I'll be able to pump up the amperage on the controller. Right now I have it tuned down to about 45 amps because I don't want to overtax the battery. It's a 35 amp hour battery, but it's only got a 50 amp BMS. Once I parallel another tank battery and I parallel it with the battery blender, it'll increase the BMS, total BMS, to 110. So then I could pump my controller up to 60 amps, which is the maximum, and get even a faster top speed, which is right now my top speed is 55, so I'll be able to top out around 60, 65. 72 volts at 60 amps. On these 20-inch tires with the Shinko 241s. Yeah, this thing is a beast. This thing is a beast. I am so happy that I, took my time in rebuilding it after the fire. But now this thing it's nice. It's sweet looking. All right, and that's it. There it is.